What's up, my friends? Tony Carbajal here. I was getting ready to head out, do some riding. I realized the motorcycle's in need of some new handlebar grips. I'm gonna grab a pair of these ODI grips, and today I'm gonna share some tech tips with you guys and show you 3 different methods you can use to install brand new grips onto your motorcycle. So some of these methods and their difficulty levels are gonna be dependent on your resources. I personally prefer the compressed air and wire tie method. It's pretty fast, it's secure, and it leaves no mess. You can also use grip glue, you can use soapy water. I've even seen people use hairspray. It's whatever works for you. Let's get started. For motorcycles, you're going to have 2 different diameter grips. The larger hole is going to be for the throttle tube side. Get the grip started as far as you can. If you have an air compressor and an air blower, I highly recommend this method. Pinch the grip to trap the air so that the grip will expand. Work air under the grip until it's all the way on. Next up is the soapy water method. Get soap into the grip and onto the throttle tube. Then wrestle the grip onto the bar. Method 3 is going to be using grip glue. It's cheap, it's around $2 to $3. Again, it's going to require some wrestling to get it into place. I need all the grip I can get at times, so to add a little extra security, keep my grips from moving, I use wire tie. You're going to want to cut the wire and tuck the points into the thick part of the grip. Reinstall your bar in, and boom, we got one side complete. Now to repeat whatever method works best for you on the other side. The air trick is still my go-to. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Hopefully you guys learned something today. So whether you're riding a dirt bike or a street bike, I want to give one of you guys a pair of ODI grips for your motorcycle. All you have to do is like this video, comment down below, let me know what kind of bike it is that you're riding and where you're located. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for daily updates, and I'll be picking a winner in a couple weeks. I'll see you guys in the next one.